Hello, my teacher. Welcome to session 108.
Yes, welcome everybody. I hope you're okay. Today we have a conversation strategy. It's a very nice conversation. And we want to learn how to ask follow-up questions, how to ask more questions in a conversation in order to have a very natural conversation and keep the conversation going. All right. Let's look at the title of the lesson. How is it going? How is it going? Okay. What does this question mean? Can you give me a synonym for this question? How is it going? What does it mean?
How are you, man?
Yes. How is it going means how are you or what's new or what's up, right?
Yeah.
So when you see somebody, when you meet somebody and you want to say hello, maybe this is a good question that you can use in a conversation. How is it going? All right. Part one, conversation strategy, asking follow-up questions. Okay. Please look at the picture. We have a picture here. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. So where are these people?
They are at the beach.
Not at the beach.
They are near the swim.
Yes, swimming pool. Yes, they're near the swimming pool. And they are eating something, maybe hot dogs on a barbecue, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do you think, is this a party?
Maybe. I think yes. They are in the park.
Yeah. Right. So they are at the party, and I think it's a barbecue party. People barbecue stuff like hot dogs and meat. Okay. And what are they doing?
They are in the conversation and have a new friend here.
Yes. They are talking to each other, they're having a conversation and making new friends. Very good. All right. Now, in the next part, we want to listen to this conversation and check the text. Before we start, let's talk about the names. So this man's name is Ray. His name is Ray. The woman's names are Kate and Tina. So one of them is Tina and the other one is Kate. I think this is Tina. Okay. Now, Kate, this blonde girl, she likes water sports. Okay, she really likes water sports. What sports does she like? She likes, let me write it down. Okay, look at this picture. So this picture is scuba diving, right? We call this scuba diving. So this is called scuba diving. This is the name of a sport. Let me change the font really quick. Excuse me. So this picture, as I said, is scuba diving. It's a sport. You have an oxygen tank on your back and you have a mask. You go under the water and you start swimming. Okay, this is the name of one of the water sports. We also have swimming. We know swimming, like you go to the swimming pool and you start swimming. That's the name of the sport. Okay, so as I said, Kate likes water sport and she likes scuba diving and swimming. Now, we want to listen to this recording and answer the question, what is Kate doing in Laguna Beach this week? So what is she doing in Laguna Beach? Please listen to the audio and answer the question.
70. Lesson C. How's it going? 1. Conversation strategy. Asking follow-up questions. B. Listen. What is Kate doing in Laguna Beach this week?
Hey, Ray. This is my friend Kate. She's visiting from Chicago.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. So, are you here on vacation?
Yeah, I'm here for a week.
That's great. Are you enjoying Laguna Beach?
Yeah, I'm taking a scuba diving course.
That's cool. How's it going?
Really well, and I'm having a great time. Oh, that's my cell phone. Excuse me.
Sure.
So tell me, what is she doing in Laguna Beach this week?
She's taking a scuba diving course.
Yes, she is taking a scuba diving course. Is a class that teaches you how to do scuba diving, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, so here's the technique. We have a nice technique here. Notice how Ray asks Kate questions. He keeps the conversation going. Find examples in the conversation. So for example, Kate says, I'm here for a week. Ray says, that's great. Are you enjoying Laguna Beach? So if you ask more questions in the conversation, it helps the conversation be more natural, right? Okay. Let's find some examples in the conversation. For example, are you here on vacation? This is one follow-up question. Can you find other examples, please?
I'm here for a week. Are you enjoying Laguna Beach?
Yes. Okay.
How's it?
Any other questions?
Yes. How's it going?
How's it going? Very good. Okay. So these
That's
are some follow-up questions that they use in this conversation. Now, in the next part, we want to complete the conversations with the follow-up questions. There is one extra question, and then we want to listen and check our answers, and then we finish the video. You can see the follow-up questions here. Are you taking any interesting classes? Are you enjoying it? So do you have an e-reader? E-reader is like a tablet that you can read books in that. It's called an e-reader. So it's a small tablet that you can only read books. Are you learning about the culture too? And so where are you going to clubs and what are you reading? These are some follow-up questions. Now, let's match them to the good response. Okay, number one, I'm taking a French class.
really?
So for example,
Are
yeah,
you enjoying it?
very good. Are you enjoying it? This is for number one. Okay. B. It's going pretty well. I like it. That's good.
Are you taking any interesting classes?
Well, that's not right. We can use this question. Are you learning about the culture too? Are you learning about the culture too? That's a good question.
Okay.
In the next one, that's interesting. How about you? You can use this, okay? You can say,
Are you taking any interesting classes?
that's right. Are you taking any interesting classes? That's for 3. Now let's listen and check our answers for number 1. Let's go ahead and listen.
Page 70. 1. Conversation strategy. Asking follow-up questions. D. Complete the conversations with the follow-up questions. There is one extra question. Then listen and check your answers. 1. I'm taking a French class.
Really? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's going pretty well. I like it.
That's good. Are you learning about the culture too?
Yeah, it's interesting. So how about you? Are you taking any interesting classes?
Let's go to question 2. I'm reading a couple of really good books.
Yeah. What are you reading?
What are you reading? Good one. What are you reading? Oh, a book by Suzanne Collins and a book about music. That's interesting.
So, do you have a reader?
Yes, an e-reader. Do you have an e-reader? Okay, good. Let's listen and check.
2.
I'm reading a couple of really good books.
Yeah? What are you reading?
Oh, a book by Suzanne Collins and a book about music.
That's interesting. So, do you have an e-reader?
Okay, guys, thank you for watching us. The technique that we learned in this part was how to make follow-up questions, and this really helps us to keep the conversation going. Again, thanks for the support, and see you in the next video.
Well done, guys. Bye.